12 containers of varying sizes to keep everything tidy. Bright colored sorters helps develop organization skills. Quick and easy cleaning surfaces are durable and stain resistant. Wood finish with matching metal rods. Measures: 33.25 in LX 12.5 in DX 36 in H, 84.46 cm LX 31.75 cm DX 91.44 cm H. Top reviews from the United States. Beautiful storage unit. This rack is as nice as it looks in the picture. The bins are sturdy enough to last for a couple of years with careful use. Now my 3-year-old is encouraged to sort and put away her toys without much prompting. Thinking about buying a second one. Some months later. Still love this unit. However, when it arrived, although the box was intact and in flawless condition, the large bins were warped. I thought maybe they would realign over time with the weight of the toys. However, they didn't. So they don't sit flush in the frame. I am including pictures. All the large bins came this way since they were packed one into the other, but the small ones are fine. If anyone knows how to fix this, please share. Thanks in advance.